Good morning, one and all. Today we discuss about the topic is in biology subject, the unit 12 plant anatomy and plant physiology. Plant anatomy and plant physiology unit 12. Okay. The first of all, what is means biology? What is means biology? The study of living things. The study of living things or life forms. Living things are life forms and non-living process. And non-living process. It is a simple definition of biology. It is a simple definition of biology. The biology word is come from the Greek language. The biology word is come from Greek language. ஸோ பயாலஜி வேர்டு அதிகமாக யூஸ் பண்ணது யாருன்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தா த சயின்டிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த லமார்க் அண்டு ட்ரைவீரன்ஸ். லமார்க் அண்டு ட்ரைவீரன்ஸ் த 1801. த லமார்க் அண்டு ட்ரைவீரன்ஸ் த 1801. ஸோ த biology is divided into two Greek word. The biology is divided into two Greek word. The one is bios and another one is logos. The one is bios and another one is logos. Bios means life. Bios means life and logos means steady. And logos means steady. Okay. Next, the plant anatomy and plant physiology. Plant anatomy and plant physiology. The plants exhibit the varying degrees of organization. The degrees of organization. The atoms are organized into molecules. The molecules are organized into cells. The cells are organized into tissues. The tissues are organized into organs. The organs are organized into whole plants. The atoms are organized into molecules. The molecules are organized into cells. The cells are organized into tissues. The tissues are organized into organs. The organs are organized into whole plants. Whole plants. Okay. Next, what is means plant anatomy? What is means plant anatomy? The study of internal structure of plants. The study of internal structure of plants of the stem, root and leaf. Stem, root and leaf. The study of internal structure of plants of the stem, root and leaf. The stem, root and leaf in this plant parts is cut under the microscope. The visible the parts. The visible the parts. So okay. Anatomy is a Greek word. Anatomy is a Greek word. The anatomy is divided into two Greek word. The one is ana and another one is temin. The one is ana and another one is temin. Ana means as under. Ana means as under. Temin means to cut. Temin means to cut. So the next, the first account the internal structure of plants was published by the Nehemiah Crew. Nehemiah Crew. So the Nehemiah Crew is a father of plant anatomy. The Nehemiah Crew is a father of plant anatomy. So the first account the internal structure of the plant. Internal structure of the plant was published by the Nehemiah Crew. So the Nehemiah Crew is a father of plant anatomy. Father of plant anatomy. இது ஒரு 1 மார்க்ல வந்து பார்த்தா மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. Father of plant anatomy. Father of plant anatomy யாருன்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தா Nehemiah Crew. சரி ஓகே. Next we discuss about the tissue. Discuss about the tissue. So tissues are the group of cells. The group of cells. That cells are similar or dissimilar. That cells are similar or dissimilar in structure and origin. Structure and origin, but then the same function. But the same function is called tissue. Two more questions. The tissues are group of cells. The tissues are group of cells. That cells are similar or dissimilar in structure and origin. First, the structure is similar or dissimilar, and origin are similar or dissimilar, but the function is same function. But the function is same function is called tissue. Is called tissue. This is two more question. Next, the tissues are classified into two types. The tissues are classified into two types. The one is meristematic tissue and another one is permanent tissue. The one is meristematic tissue and another one is permanent tissue. What is the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue means the unmatured tissue. Unmatured tissue or the unmatured cells. Unmatured tissues are the unmatured cells, young tissue. And another one is permanent tissue. And another one is Permanent tissue. The tissue is divided into two types. The one is meristematic tissue and another one is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue is another unmatured tissue or young tissue or the unmatured cells. So the meristematic tissue is dividing. The meristematic tissue is dividing. When the dividing is stopped, the meristematic tissue change into the permanent tissue. The meristematic tissue change into the permanent tissue. For example, you see a small tree. ஒரு மரத்தை பார்க்கும்போது அதோட நுனியில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா மெரிஸ்டமேட்டிக் டிஷ்யூ, யங் டிஷ்யூ, அன்மெச்சூர்டு செல்ஸ். காற்றடிக்கும் போது பார்த்தோன்னா அது எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு பார்த்தோன்னா ஆடும். அப்போ அந்த ஆடுறது எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு மெரிஸ்டமேட்டிக் டிஷ்யூ. பெர்மனெண்ட் டிஷ்யூனா மெச்சூர்டு டிஷ்யூ. நம்ம மரத்தினுடைய அடிபாகம்னு பார்த்தோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன ஆகாதுன்னா அது ஆடாது, அப்படியே இருக்கும். அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லணும்னா பெர்மனெண்ட் டிஷ்யூ. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டிஷ்யூ சிஸ்டம். So the tissue system is classified into three types. One is the dermal or epidermal tissue system. And another one is ground tissue system. And the last one is vascular tissue system. The classified the scientist is Sachs, the 1875. The 1875. The tissue system classified into three types. The one is dermal or epidermal tissue system, and another one is ground tissue system, and the last one is vascular tissue system. The classified the scientist is Sachs, the 1875. So first of all discuss about the dermal or epidermal tissue system. First, the epidermis is consists of stomata, cuticle and epidermal outgrowth. Cuticle and epidermal outgrowth. The epidermal outgrowth divided into two parts. The one is trichomes and another one is root hair. First, epidermis. So the epidermis is a single layer that made up of parenchymatous cells. Single layer are another parenchymatous cells. The epidermis have the minute spores is called is present. The epidermis is have another minute spores is called present is called stomata. Next, cuticle. The cuticle is present on the outer wall of the epidermis. The cuticle is present is another outer wall of the epidermis. Cuticle is present. Okay. Next, sometimes the outer surface of stem and leaves. Sometimes the outer surface of stem and leaf, the outgrowth form. The outgrowth is called trichome. Sometimes the outer surface of stem and leaf. The outgrowth form. That outgrowth are unicellular or multicellular. Multicellular. The part's name is trichome. Next, in these parts, the epidermis, cuticle, stomata and trichome. Trichome is present only in stem and leaf. Only the stem and leaf. Epidermis, cuticle, stomata and trichome. In these parts are present the only in stem and leaf. Okay. Next, others are called the root hair. The root hair is another. It is a single cells the made up of parenchymatous cells. Parenchymatous cells is called the rhizodermis. Rhizodermis. The rhizodermis is have the single layer. The single cells is formed the root hair. Rhizodermis மேல வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு single cellsனாலான root hair is present. Okay. Next, functions of epidermis. So epidermis is protect the inner tissue. The epidermis protect the inner tissue. The first is the epidermis is layer is tissue is present form. Next, the cortex, endodermis, pericycle, vascular bundles and pith. In these parts of the protect the endodermis. And another one is stomata. and another one is stomata, the help in transpiration. The stomata help in transpiration. So for example, in the daytime the plants absorb the carbon dioxide, the release of oxygen. The daytime the plants absorb the carbon dioxide, the release of oxygen. The reaction is photosynthesis. The night time the plants absorb the oxygen, the release of carbon dioxide. Plants absorb the oxygen, the release of carbon dioxide. The reaction is respiration. The reaction is respiration. Both the two reaction takes place through the stomata. Through the stomata. So the stomata help in transpiration. So the stomata help in transpiration. And last point, the root hair. The root hairs help in absorption of water and minerals. Absorption of water and minerals from soil. From soil through the root hair. Through the root hair. These are the functions of a dermal or epidermal tissue system. This is a 2 mark question. 2 mark question. Next, ground tissue system. Next, ground tissue system. They accept the epidermal and vascular tissue system. Except the epidermal and vascular tissue system, the remaining parts of the cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith, இதெல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு ground tissue system. Except the epidermis and vascular tissue system. Except the epidermis and vascular tissue system, the remaining parts of the cortex, endodermis, pericycle and pith, இதெல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு ground tissue system. Ground tissue system. இது ஒரு QR code questions. Okay. First of all, first plant anatomy and plant physiology. இதில் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்த்தோம்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு 1 மார்க்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தா ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் பிளான்ட் அனாட்டமி. ஃபாதர் ஆஃப் பிளான்ட் அனாட்டமி யாருன்னு பார்த்தா நகமை க்ரூ. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வாட் இஸ் த டிஷ்யூ? 2 mark question. The tissues are group of cells. The cells are similar or dissimilar in structure and origin, but the function is the same function is called tissue. This is a 2 mark question. Next, the tissue system. The tissue system classified into 3 types: the dermal or epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, vascular tissue system. This is 2 mark. Next is 1 mark. The system classified into the scientist of Sachs, the 1875. The 1875. The last one is the functions are dermal or epidermal tissue system 3. The one is epidermis protect the inner tissue. The stomata help in transpiration. The root hair help in absorption of water and minerals from soil through the root hair. Through the root hair. Okay, thank you one and all. P. Sitheswaran, Sri Vidya Bharati Metric Higher Secondary School, Sakarambalayam.